Hello everyone! Today I am here to unbox for you my second order from Bella Art de Nicole. Here we go. Ta-da! We have their business card with information, QR code on the back. I spy a butterfly sticker in there. So remember that with every order that comes from them, their colors are different each week, except for some of their standard colors. So the ones that you may see in some of my videos are probably already gone and past, but they do come back around sometimes. That's my sticker that I got with this order. Butterflies with Diamonds. Join us on Facebook and or Instagram. Butterflies with Diamonds is the tag for their current event that they're running, which is a butterfly themed diamond painting. All right, so in this order, I got a set in Galaxy Black and a red Max tray in Sith Red. Can you guess when I ordered this? This was around May 4th. So this is the Galaxy Black. It's black with silver sparkles in it. So pretty. I love it. Oh, what is this? Oh yeah. So I ordered this slim 3-placer in lemon drop yellow. I love that all of their trays stack on each other in various ways. I think they're very cool. I like that. I really like that sparkle in there. It doesn't exactly sparkle, but it looks like a bunch of stars. This is the Max tray. As you can see, it's bigger. It's their maximum size. Very cool. Okay, let's put some drills in there. See how that looks. Oh yeah. You could hold a bunch in there. I love it. This will be nice for projects when you have a lot of a drill. Now, one of the things that they recommend doing is having the lid on when you pour them. With just a little bit, that's not really necessary. Also, oh come on, there's one in there that just doesn't want to, it didn't want to leave. It loved its comfy home there inside of that tray. They have grooves here that the lids slide onto. All right, let's see what some drills look like in the black. I just gotta see. Of course, these are black. Well, they're kind of a AB black, so they're not exactly black. But oh yeah. Now, it helps, I've noticed, to wash these after buying them. It helps, for whatever reason, it helps the drills slide in there better. So I think that's why they're probably not sliding too well right now, but there you have it. My order, my second order from Bella Art de Nicole. Thanks for joining me today, guys. I hope that you have a wonderful week ahead of you. Thanks. Bye.